Hello.
Oh, Happy New Year!
I don't happy to you. I
You
don't
don't
happy to.
you don't have Happy New Year?
Yes.
Ah,
Happy to you.
you don't hold on.
I'm fine, thank you.
Huh? I'm not asking you yet.
Hmm.
Here, honey. Uh, here. Where is it? Here.
Yes, yes. A happy new year. A happy new year.
You don't celebrate it? Don't celebrate it? No?
A happy new year. A happy new
Ah,
year.
okay. You said you don't have Happy New Year a while ago.
A happy new year.
Okay. So you have a happy new
New
year.
year.
Yes. Okay. Hmm. Hold on. Are you only celebrating at home, Duke? At home?
Yes.
Ah. Did mommy prepare a lot of food? Here. That? Yes?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Happy New Year, Duke. I am so happy. Happy New Year. I'm going to write it, okay? To you and your family. So grateful to have you as my student. Here, honey. Tang tarada. The teacher's going to put it in the chatting box, okay? That one.
Oh, naman.
Happy New Year. Okay. Anyway, honey, we are now going to have the test. The test two. Okay. I mean, the test for unit number 2. Okay, Duke? Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Ready? I will open my window first, okay? Wait for me. I will open my window, honey. Because it is very, very hot here. I will just open all of my windows. Wait for a while. Okay. Now, teacher's going to share the screen, okay?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Dang, ta-da-da,
Da, 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 da.
dang, ta-da-da.
Rocky is a Rocky.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yay! Very good. So you can see everything now. Okay, let's have the first part. Oh, wait. I will write your name first, honey, okay? I forgot to put your name. I will put your name first. Mindok. Min
Bingo.
Mindok unit test. Oh, wait for a while, honey. Wait. I forgot to put your name. It should be Mindok. Min.
Minta.
Unit 2. Okay. Now, honey, let's have the listening part 1. Listening part 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Unit 2 Test Part 1. Listen and number the pictures. There is one example. 0. What is this?
It's a pencil.
Can you see number 0?
Can you see number 0, honey?
Yes.
Yes. What's number 0, honey? What is that? That is a
It's a pencil.
good. It is a pencil. Great job. Okay, now let's listen for number 1.
Now you listen and number the pictures. 1,
What's this?
It's a board.
What's for number 1?
It's the board.
Where is it? Put the answer. You put the answer. You put it in the box.
Yeah, it's here. It's here.
Okay. Okay, very good. 1 point already, honey. You got 1 point already for the reading. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now let's move forward to the second one. Let's have number 2.
2,
And what's this? It's pink and yellow.
It's a school bag.
What the answer? Number 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here.
I am a rocket. I am a rocket. I am a rocket today.
Where is it?
Yeah, it's number 2.
Can't see it.
I am a rocket.
Yeah, very good. You got 2 points already, honey. 2 points already. Okay, now let's have number 3.
3,
3.
Is this a rubber?
No, it isn't.
What's this?
It's a desk.
Okay, what's for number 3?
It's
3,
a
3, 3.
desk.
It's a desk. Where's the desk? I can't see the desk. Can you put the number in the box?
It's here. It's here. It's here. Mighty bubble.
What's that? What's that one?
It's
balloon.
Happy day. Mighty rocket, Benny Honey. 1, 2, 3. Benny rocket.
Honey, where's number 3 now?
It's a desk.
Where?
It's here. It's here.
Yeah, great job. So you got 3 points already. Now, let's have the last one, of course. You know the last one already.
4,
What's this?
It's a rubber.
It's a
It's
rubber
blue and red.
and red.
Oh, shit.
What did you say?
Oh.
Where's number 4?
One more time. Oh, I've got
4 is a rubber. You put the rubber in the box. Box. Put number 4 in the box. So your answer would be so perfect, honey. Number 4. Okay, anyway, this is number 4. So you got 4/4, honey, for listening part 1. Great job. 4/4 for listening part 1, honey. Okay, let me put it here. Let's put your score here. Listening part 1. You got 4/4. Okay, now let's move forward to listening part 2. Are you ready for the listening part 2, honey?
Yes.
Yes, you say
Yes.
yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Hold on. What listening part? Listening part 2. Okay. So, here, honey, you're going to listen and put a tick or cross in the box. And there is just one example. Let's have this.
Now,
Oh, what's this?
Unit
Oh,
2 Test, Part 2.
Ah,
Listen and put a tick or a cross in the box.
no.
There is one example.
Are you in the classroom?
Yes, I am.
Okay, are you in a classroom? That's the example, honey.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and number the pictures. 5,
Okay,
Yes.
that one, honey, is? What's the example? It is a,
I don't.
Class.
I don't.
what is it?
Classroom.
Classroom. It's a classroom, honey. Okay, now let's have the next one.
Where is your friend Mike?
I don't know. He isn't in the classroom.
Is he in the canteen?
Yes, he is.
Put a tick. Yes, very good. 1 point already.
Six.
Is Lucy in the canteen too?
No, she isn't.
Is she in the playground?
Yes, she is.
Where is Lucy? Lucy is in the...
Uh, playground.
Very good. 2 points already. Last one.
She is in the playground with her friend Anna.
7.
Is Tom in the library?
No, he isn't.
now, listen again.
Honey, is Tom in the library? No, he
No.
isn't. Very good. You got 3/3 for this part, honey. 3/3. Great job, Duke. Perfect score, honey. Great. Okay, now let's have the part 3. Okay, let's go to the part 3, honey. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me put it here first, honey. Listening part 3. So it will be part. Okay. You ready for the part 3, Duke? You ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Unit 2 Test, Part 3. Listen and write. There is one example.
Hi, who's this?
This is my best friend.
What's his name?
He is Oscar.
What is his friend's name, honey? It is?
It's
Oscar.
Oscar.
Let us have the age, honey, okay? Let's go to the age.
Oscar.
Can you see the example? Now you listen and write.
Hi, Oscar. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old.
Very good. You say he is.
One
He
more
is-
time.
You say, honey, he is 9 years old. He is 9 years old. Your answer is correct. Honey, your answer is correct. It's correct. Okay. Do you want to write it
Okay.
here? Do you want to write it?
5 years old.
5? No, he is 9. Your answer a while
9
ago. Yeah, he's 9. Your answer a while ago was correct already. He's 9.
You're 9 years old.
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
I like English too.
What is Oscar's favorite subject, honey? His favorite subject is, what is it?
Yeah.
Honey, what is his favorite subject? His favorite subject is? Yes, very good. Okay, last one. Let's have the last one.
Oh, is this your school bag?
Yes, it is.
What is in your school bag?
A pen and a rubber.
Rubber.
There's a pen and a
Rubber.
very good. So you got 3/3 right here. A perfect score again. Great job, Duke. Okay, let me put your score here. Okay. Now let's have the reading part, honey. You're going to read, honey, okay? Okay. Now let's have this one, honey. You have to look, read, and tick yes or no. And there's just one example, honey. Please read the example, Duke. Read it. This is a.
This is a rubber. Yes.
It's a yes. Now let's have number 1.
Ask a question. Yes.
Yes. Very good. Next one.
Classroom. No.
He is in the classroom. Very good. Where is he? Where is he then?
He is in the playground.
Very good. Okay, let's have this reading. So you got 2/2, honey. Perfect score, 2. It is also a perfect score. Let me put your score here. Okay, now let's have the part 2. Okay, honey. Let's go to the part 2. You have to look, read, and then draw lines again, do. And there's just only one example, okay? For example, honey, here, what's this? And the answer is, it's a rubber. It's a rubber, okay? Now, how about number 3? Where's Alice? Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, now let's read, honey. Number 3. Where's Alice? Where's Alice?
She's in the canteen.
Very good. May I go out?
Yes, you can.
Very good. Where are your friends? Where are your friends?
They are in the classroom.
Very good. Okay. So you got another 3/3, another perfect score, Duke. So happy and proud for you, honey. Of you, honey. Okay, let's have part 3. Let's go to the part 3. Okay, honey. You have to look, read, and then circle the correct answer. So the right answer, honey, goes like this. This is a book, so that's the right answer, right? Now let's have number 6. Encircle the correct answer. What's that, Duke?
He is in the canteen.
Okay, he's in the canteen. Very good. 7.
May I go out?
Yes. 8.
This is the desk.
Very good. You got 3/3 again, honey. Very good. Perfect score again, Duke. Great job. Okay, let me put your score again. For part 2, you got you got 3 over 3. And for part 3, you got 3 over 3 again. Okay, now let's have the writing part 1, honey. Let's have the writing part 1. Okay, teacher's going to write this one first. Writing part 1. Okay, let's have the writing part 1, honey. You're going to write, okay? You're going to write your answers, my dear. Okay, let's have the example here. First one is chair. How about the second one? What's that? You write it.
Chair.
Number 1.
1 is playground.
You write it. Right. Because it's a writing test, honey, so you have to write it.
Plaigourd.
Look, you write it here. You write it here so I will know how you spell it. Write it so I would figure out how you spell it. Write it so I would figure out you know how to spell the word.
Hãy viết sao cho tôi có thể hiểu được bạn có biết cách đánh vần từ đó hay không?
Okay, very good. It's yeah, that's the correct answer. And again, let's have number 2. What's for number 2? What
Bookcase.
is that? Okay, you spell it. Spell it.
Bookcase.
Very good. Honey, this one is a writing test, so you have to write it. This one is a writing test, so you have to write, but it's okay. You got it correctly anyway. So it's 2 over 2. You got the correct answer again. Let me put your score 2 over 2. Okay, next one. Let's have part 2. You have to look and write, and there's just only one example. For number 1, honey, I like art. How about this? Number 3.
He is in a library.
Okay, very good. He is in the library. You put the answer, honey. You write it. You write it, so I would figure out that you know how to spell the word. Very good. He's in the library. Okay, 4.
Is here. Math.
Math. How do you spell it, honey? I can't see how you spell it. Math. Where's math? Where is it now?
Math. MATHS.
Very good. Okay, so you got 2 over 2. I can't see your answer, honey. Okay. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's have the part 3, honey. This is the last part already. This will be the last part already. Okay, here we have stand up, please. We have up, stand, please. So this one is Stand up,
Stand
please.
up, please.
Okay, let's have number 5. You need to write it, honey. Write the answer. Write the answer. Sige, make. Great, perfect. Okay, 6. Very good. Perfect.
Here.
Okay, where is it, honey? I can't see.
Yeah, may I ask a question?
Very good. Well, that's correct. Okay, so for part 3, honey, you got 3/3 again. Wow, Duke! You got the correct and you got the perfect score, honey. Wow. Okay, hold on. I will put the entry of your test first. So part 2, you got 2/2. Part 3, you got 3/3. Okay, honey. Yes, you got the correct. Oh, you got the perfect score, honey. So for part 1, listening part 1, you got 4/4. Very good, honey.
Part 1, listening. Part 4/4. Listening. Part 2, 3/3.
3/3.
Listening. Part 3, 3/3.
3/3.
Reading. Part 1,
2/2.
2/2. Reading. Part 2,
Part 3,
3/3.
Reading
Reading.
part
Part 1, 3. Reading. Part 3. Reading. Part 3, 3/3.
3.
Writing. Part
Reading part
1,
1, 2
2/2.
2. Reading part 2, 2/2.
Writing.
Reading part 3, 3/3. Okay, anyway, honey, the time is already over. Thank you so much, Duke, and see you next year. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year, teacher.